They're extremely sophisticated. They built with an earthquake-proof technology. Instead of using blocks, they put small stones in textile bags, and those allow a certain amount of shifting so the thing doesn't collapse in an earthquake. And this is 5,500 years old, getting on. So again, not an agricultural civilization at that time. They're a hunter-gatherer civilization. So archaeologists are having to confront a reversal of their model at the moment. And I think there's room in that reversal of the model for a forgotten episode in the human story.